Automation has been around for a long time, whether it be physical automation like you would see in manufacturing or digital automation for back office operations. Today, we are seeing strong demand to get new services and insights to market faster, while at the same time managing through the Great Resignation. We need to do a lot more than simply script legacy tasks. We need to retire broken and complicated workflows and replace them with automation that leverages machine learning and artificial intelligence. This is hyperautomation. This extends well beyond the back office. For example, you can collect actionable insights from consumer data to provide a frictionless customer experience, while sentiment analysis can imitate the emotional quotient of a user's behavior to build better experiences at key touchpoints along the customer journey. Adoption is happening. The rise in use of chatbots, smart speakers, computer vision, and virtual assistants proves that consumers are ready, willing, and able to interact with AI-powered conversational technologies. Whether you deploy hyperautomation to optimize internal processes or your customers' experiences, it's the next frontier in your digital transformation. And the more you refine your efforts, the greater your gains will be.